So once you come from the passage area ahead, you see the space is divided into three big cabins for the directors, and the space is also divided with the partition which is in veneer wood and wicker. We wanted the partition should be with transparency because the client wanted कि space बड़ा लगे, उनको नहीं चाहिए था कि space छोटा लगे, and it was very okay to have an interactive cabins and not to just hide off the whole space. So we have created a seamless little bit here and there. You can peep out from the wicker partition. Then you come ahead and you have a glass partition here. And at the rear end, you see the greenery there. It's a nice open terrace there at the end. So let's go and visit one of the cabin and see what details we have created in the office. Once you enter to the director's cabin, you can see it has very minimalistic furniture. This director, she wanted the color pop to be green, and thus you see a very neutral palette along with a green fabric for her chair. Very minimalistic table with a concrete leg and custom made client's chair. Even you see the light on the desk is made out of wooden wicker. The storage here is in the wood finish, and the whole feel is very simple, minimalistic. This design what you see here is a art of texture. It is also custom made on site. It gives a feel of the greenery and the flow what they believe in. So this was a handmade texture, and you see a lot of breathable plants here to give that fresh oxygen in the office. Now you see there's no switchboards around and how to operate all these lights. Even the ceilings have wooden struts, and this special switchboard pole box is made for it. It serves as an aesthetic. When you enter, you have all the switchboards here, and it's a planter also. So we don't have to give any switchboards on the wall, which is very visible and spoiling the design of the partition over here. ये वाली office भी एक one of the director's office, and ये वाली office में we have customized amazing wood table with brown glass and leatherite in the center. The client requirement was he writes a lot of things, so he wanted a leatherite in the center, and this is a custom wood customized table where we have customized all the electric points inside. Is all the requirements of lockers and everything inside. Again, when you come in the office, you see all the glass partitions. So we have created this pod for the switchboards, and you see the custom light over here, which is also a different piece than other offices. There is a huge niche for the collectibles and the showcase their products from the factory, which they showcase here along with the artifacts. They wanted the shutters to not open in this direction because it will hinder the chair and the space. So we have created the sliding openings here. So it opens this way and all the files and storages can be done. So now on that side, we have created a nice wall art and a vertical storage along with a reading nook which is facing towards the greenery, the terrace garden which they have. Clients sit here and sip up their coffee, and they create amazing new businesses and think of amazing trips they want to plan for the year ahead. Now you enter into the main director's cabin. Again, you see the beige and the grays and the monotones what we have used. Then you see the lounge sofa with nice magazine niche and a handrest made out of birchwood flexible ply. And then again the art piece here in the center. This is a huge table for two directors, and the side table which is here it is made is in again the green marble. When you see this table which is very linear design and a very sleek design, now this green table here makes it very solidify and statement piece and gives a very pop of green to the aesthetic. The other side have a huge file storages which is done in wooden CNC fluting panels, which has amazing fluting done vertically and horizontally, and we have very nice indirect light coming from here. Again, the light which you see on the desk, which is custom made on site with wicker and wood and a profile inside. Once you come on the other side, we have a very beautiful view of the terrace here. So every day from morning to evening, it will give a very nice light, as this is the east side of the office. पैसा वसूल है ये Zen Garden, the important part where my clients wanted to breathe and enjoy with the employees. Everyone unwinds in this space. It's really amazing to have something on this level where you can have space to unwind while you're working. So this was a Zen Garden where they wanted very minimalistic approach, lot of greens, lot of plants, along with very subtle and wooden metal chairs and table to unwind. And so we have created a very basic tables and chairs out of metal and wood to employees to unwind, relax and rethink, rejuvenate and work harder. So basically modern Zen सिर्फ एक ऑफिस नहीं है, ये एक माइंडसेट है. और दिस वर्क स्पेस हमें याद दिलाता है कि कोई भी बिजनेस या किसी भी चीज़ को पावरफुल होने के लिए लाउड होने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है. साइलेंस कभी कभार काफ़ी होती है. हर एक टेक्सचर, हर एक मटेरियल, हर एक चीज़ जो यूज़ की हुई है यहाँ पे, इट गिव्स ओनली वन थिंग कि फोकस करें, बट उसके पहले ब्रीथ, रिलैक्स एंड देन फोकस. एंड दैट्स द होल कॉन्सेप्ट बिहाइंड दिस ऑफिस. See ya in the next space.